Hey guys, I'm celebrity makeup artist Ashley Glazer, and today we're going to talk about the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And what's so amazing about this, it's infused with grape, vitamin A, C, and E, which is extremely hydrating, and something really great about the product that I love. Primer is essential when applying your makeup. It gives you a flawless base before you apply your foundation. It smooths out pores, wrinkles, and any texture on the skin. I like to apply it with my fingers because it's really, really soft and hydrating, so you just want to focus mostly on your T-zone and blending outwards and upwards. Using a primer will help to keep your makeup on all day, and for those girls out there that love to do full coverage highlighting and contouring, primer is an essential first step product. It's super easy and it just takes 2 seconds into your routine.
Go with a primer. A primer is your one-stop shop to keeping your makeup on all day. You can wear it by itself. We're using this one here by e.l.f. Cosmetics.
Nice.
And it is the Hydrating Face Primer, and we've actually completed one side already, as you can see on this side, so we're going to work on the opposite side.
Wonderful.
And
this one here is infused with a blend of anti-aging ingredients.
Exactly. So dimethicone actually is the base ingredient for this, and that's a great ingredient. As you can see here, it's a super silky feel to the primer. Yes.
It feels like silk, guys, and it's going to really drench the skin. It's going to hydrate it, and really, its intent and purpose is to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles.
Yes,
correct?
and dimethicone is in a lot of
it is so
kind of products that are meant to fill pores and fine lines. So this one here specifically uses it as a primer, which is so smart because it's creating that smooth canvas before you apply your makeup. So it's filling any kind of fine lines, pores, wrinkles, anything like that. And e.l.f. Cosmetics does such a good job at it at such an affordable price too.
This one right here is $6. Can't beat that right there. So check it out below in our style carousel. It's infused with grape ingredients and vitamin E.
Yes. So it's kind of a great stress blocker for the environment as well, because once it's on your skin, it's acting as a serum as well. So it's preventing any environmental stress from attacking your skin. It's creating that long wear to your makeup all day. And then of course specifically this one is creating that hashtag